The Roborock Saros Z70 is a groundbreaking robot vacuum featuring the innovative OmniGrip robotic arm that can move small obstacles while cleaning. With powerful suction, smart AI navigation, and an ultra-slim design, it delivers next-level automated home cleaning. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Roborock Saros Z70. Self-empty dock. Dock base. Vacuum mop. Power cord. Dust bag. Storage box. And user manual. How to pair. Before first use, download and log in to the Roborock app. Press and hold the power and dock buttons until resetting Wi-Fi appears. Then tap Add Device or the plus icon in the app and scan the QR code on the robot. Add your device by following the in-app instructions. Once connected, tap Quick Mapping to create a layout of your home. For the first cleaning, it is recommended to run the robot twice in vacuum-only mode for best results. How to use? Install the dock on a flat surface and plug in the power cord securely. Attach the mop cloths properly and ensure there is enough free space around the empty wash-filled dock for smooth docking and maintenance operations. Place the robot in front of the dock, then press and hold the power button to turn it on. After that, press the dock button. The robot will display "Returning to dock" and automatically navigate back to the dock for charging. Next, remove the clean water tank and fill it with normal tap water, then reinstall it properly. Open the dust container cover, pull out the cleaning solution cartridge, and fill it with the recommended Roborock cleaning solution. Reinsert the cartridge and ensure the dust container cover is closed securely. For robotic arm control, when the arm is inside its compartment, press and hold the power and emergency stop buttons to enable or disable it. When the robotic arm is outside, press the emergency stop button to immediately stop all robot operations. To reset the robotic arm, press and hold both the power and emergency stop buttons together until the reset process is initiated. Maintenance. Remove and empty the dirty water tank, then take out the used disposable dust bag and replace it with a new one, ensuring it is fully inserted into the slot. Wipe or replace the filter as needed to maintain performance. Remove and rinse the cleaning tray module thoroughly, then allow it to dry completely before reinstalling. Use a soft, dry cloth to clean the charging contacts and dock location beacon, and finish by wiping the dock base to keep the entire system clean and functioning properly. Remove and clean the dustbin, then remove and rinse the filter. Allow at least 24 hours for the filter to dry completely before reinstalling it. Remove the main brush cover and take out the main brush for cleaning. Reinstall the main brush cover until you hear it click securely into place. Remove and clean the side brush, align the central groove with the raised position on the robot, and tighten the screw to reinstall it properly. Pry out and rinse the omnidirectional wheel, then air dry it thoroughly before reinstalling. Clean the main wheels using a soft, dry cloth. Replace the mop cloths regularly for optimal cleaning performance. Smart features? The innovative OmniGrip robotic arm can detect, pick up, and move small obstacles such as socks, tissues, and lightweight items while cleaning. This allows the Saros Z70 to access more areas and deliver a more complete autonomous cleaning experience. With an impressive 22,000 pascals of suction power, the Saros Z70 effectively removes dust, debris, pet hair, and dirt from both hard floors and carpets. Its high-performance cleaning system helps ensure deep and thorough cleaning throughout your home. Powered by advanced AI and precision sensors, StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 enables accurate mapping, intelligent navigation, and reliable obstacle avoidance. It helps the robot clean efficiently while safely maneuvering around furniture, cables, and everyday household objects. The ultra-slim 7.98 centimeter profile allows the Saros Z70 to clean easily beneath beds, sofas, cabinets, and other low-clearance furniture. This helps reach hidden dust and debris in areas that are often difficult to access with traditional vacuums. The dual anti-tangle system is designed to minimize hair and fur wrapping around the brushes, reducing maintenance and improving cleaning efficiency. It is especially useful for homes with pets or long-haired occupants, ensuring smoother operation over time. The adaptive mopping system intelligently adjusts water flow and cleaning performance based on floor conditions for more effective mopping. It can also automatically lift the mop when carpets are detected, helping keep rugs dry while maintaining seamless cleaning. The Multifunctional Dock 4.0 automates key maintenance tasks by emptying the dustbin, washing mop pads, refilling water, and drying the mop with hot air. This advanced dock reduces manual upkeep and keeps the robot ready for its next cleaning session. The Roborock app lets you schedule cleanings, customize room settings, create no-go zones, and monitor cleaning progress in real time. Voice control support enables hands-free operation through compatible smart home assistants for added convenience. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Roborock Saros Z70 from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Roborock Saros Z70. See you at the next one.